morning, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Today we will continue from where we left yesterday. Yesterday I explained you natural things and man-made things, isn't it? So today, and also what is a machine. So today I will tell you what machines do. Alright. So as you can see in your book, there are few diagrams. Now this is a fridge. What is this? A cooler, washing machine and a camera. Now, fridge, it helps us to keep our food fresh. Alright? Fridge keeps our food fresh. And washing machine, how does it help? Washing machine helps us to wash our dirty clothes. We can clean our dirty clothes in washing machine. And cooler, how does a cooler helps? Cooler helps us by giving us cool air. And then the camera, what we do in a camera? Camera helps us in taking our pictures. Okay, so this is what machines do. Now, how do machine work? Now, machine works in different types. Okay, few works with human efforts, few works with the help of the fuel, and few works with the help of the electricity. They are different type of machine, and it is not necessary that all the machine will work in the same way. Okay, there are different methods. So let's see. First diagram is that of a bicycle. You can see there is a bicycle, isn't it? A bicycle, how does it work? It works with human power. That means we have to put some effort, physical effort in it. Then only it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. Then next you can see there is a scooter or a scooty. And how does it work? Not only a scooty but also car, planes. It works with the help of fuel. Okay, we have to put petrol or diesel, then only it will work, isn't it? And then comes the grinder. We all have this in our house. So how does a grinder work, mixer grinder? It works with the help of electricity. Okay, we need electricity connection to make a grinder work. Alright, now next you can see there is a quick quiz. Alright, so you can see here, tick right the machine you see in your home. Train, monitor, microwave oven, sorry, it's a television, not a monitor. Television, microwave oven, and then iron. Now train, do you see train in your home? This machine, can you see it in your home? No, we see train at railway station, isn't it? So you will not take right over here. Then you see there is a television. We all have television set in our home. Yes, so you will give a tick mark over here. And then microwave oven. Yes, it is also found in our home. It is there in our house. So you will tick right mark here also. And an iron. We all have iron in our house. So yes, we can see it in our home. So you will give a tick mark over there. Now next, can you name this machine? Can you name this machine? What is this, children? What is this? This machine? It is a computer. Okay. Now, what is a computer? A computer is a smart machine. Why smart machine? Because it is very smart. It does not make mistake. It does not get tired. You know, it's very, very smart. Okay. And how can we use a computer? For what purpose can we use a computer? It is used to play games, to draw pictures, to solve sums, listen to music, and do many more things. A computer It's a smart machine which is used to play games, to draw pictures, to solve sums, to listen to music and do many more things. We can do many things in a computer. Now coming down to types of computer. There are different types of computer which comes in different sizes and which are used at different places. Number one, most commonly used computer, this one. It is desktop computer. Then this is laptop. This is netbook. This is palm top. And this is tab, or we can say smartphone. Okay. Now I will explain you what is a desktop computer. These computers are kept on a desk. That means we keep this computer on a table. Okay, they need electricity to work. It will work with the help of the electricity. Okay, and this types of computer we will see mostly in offices, banks, at our homes. Okay, we find such computers mostly in these places, and it needs electricity to work. And these computers have different separate CPU, separate keyboard, separate mouse, separate speaker, etc, etc. Okay, now next comes the laptop computer. Now laptop computers are smaller in size. Okay, it is smaller than the desktop computer, and in laptop computers the keyboard, mouse, speaker, camera, it is all are inbuilt. It is already there in the laptop computer. You do not have to use separate keyboard or separate mouse to use a laptop. And laptop works on batteries. You don't need electricity supply. Okay, you need electricity supply to charge the battery. Okay, if the batteries are charged, the laptop will work. All right, then come to the netbooks. Now netbook is smaller than a laptop. It is very easy to carry because small, so it's very easy to carry, and it also works on battery. Okay, it also means that it does not have a separate keyboard or a mouse or a CPU. All right, all these are inbuilt in this types of computer. Then comes the palm top computer. Now palm, what is palm? These are our palm. So palm top's computer are smaller than laptop computer. Now remember, desktop computer, then laptop computer. Laptop is smaller than the desktop. Then netbooks is smaller than the laptop, and also the palm top is also smaller than the laptop. Okay, and we can use it in our palms, and it also works on battery. It do not have separate CPU or a keyboard or a mouse. All right, and then tablet computers and smartphone. Tablet computers, tab, most of you must be having it with you, and smartphones we all have. Your parents are having it. You have seen that, isn't it? So these are the smaller one. It is smaller than the palm top. Okay, and it also works on battery. And the important feature is that smartphones, we can work on it just by pressing a finger. Like it's a touch, it has got the touch screen facility. Okay, they have a touch screen. It means you just need to touch the screen with your finger to click or to type. All right, so today I've explained you this chapter. We have finished this chapter, computer, a machine. Now let's quickly recall what we have learned here. We have learned natural things and man-made things. All right, now what is natural things? Natural things are those things which are found in nature. Man-made things are those things which are made by us. And then machine, we have learned about machine. What is machine? Machines are made by us to save our time, to make our work easy, and it works fast. Okay, What machines does? Different machine has different purpose. We have 4 examples here. Fridge, it keeps our food fresh. Washing machine, it helps us to clean our dirty clothes. And then we have cooler, it gives us cool air. Then we have camera, it helps us taking our pictures. All right, and how do machine works? It works, some few machines work by human effort, few works with fuel, few works with electricity. All right, and then computer, what is a computer? A computer is a smart machine and it is used for many purposes such as to play games, to listen the music, to solve the sums, to draw the pictures, etc, etc. All right, and then the types of computer. What are the different types of computer? Desktop computer, laptop computer, netbooks, palm top computer and tablet computer or the smartphone. All right, so that's all for today. Bye, have a nice day.